Good morning. Today we are going to study lesson number 2, the plant fairy. Last Sunday we went to a garden in the neighborhood. We played hide and seek, chupa chupi and antakshari. We had a lot of fun. After some time, Didi said, "Let us play a new game today." We had played this game in the camp last year. I will become a plant fairy. The plant fairy will call out a name of something and you all will have to touch it. The game began. Didi said, "The plant fairy asks you to touch a plant." At once, all the children ran towards the plant. Ammu held the marigold plant. Shabnam sat touching a jasmine plant. Dayaram caught hold of a neem tree and stood there. Michael touched a mehndi bush. Didi said, "Very good. Everyone has touched a plant. But have you noticed that all the plants are different from each other?" "Didi, you are also sitting on little plants," said Shabnam. The game started again. The plant fairy now said, "Touch a tree which has either a thick or thin trunk." The children ran again to touch the trees with thick or thin trunks. Michael found the game very interesting. He thought how lucky the fairy was. She could order everyone around. "Now I want to be the plant fairy," said Michael. The children laughed aloud. A boy fairy? They were now ready to take orders from the new plant fairy. Michael said, "Get me some leaves quickly. But remember, you are not to pluck the leaves from the plants," said Didi. The children ran to collect the leaves which were lying on the ground. Dayaram said, "I did not know that there were so many types of leaves. Look, some are round, some are long, and some are triangular." Ammu said, "There are of so many different colors as well. Some are light green and some are dark green. Some are even yellow, red and purple. There is one which is green but has white patches on it. Look, even the margins of these leaves are different from each other. Some have straight margins and some uneven. Some of these margins even look like a saw," said Shabnam. Ammu and Shabnam shouted together, "We also want to be the plant fairy." Didi said, "Not today, maybe next Sunday. It is time to go home now. On the way back, Didi recited a poem for everyone. Red, purple and even yellow, some green, wet and loose, leaves are of different kinds and of different shapes and shades. Some are like the elephant's ears and some are playful like the devil. Some are torn and some are folded and some even eaten like the beetle. And in the early dawn's darkest hues, you will find the flowers cry tear like dews. Some are like butterflies, some like bees, some are hairy and some plain, some dry up to look thorns, and some even resembles the cranes. Whoosh whoosh, whoosh whoosh, scuttle and flutter. In the breeze they all do mutter. All day long they smile and play, and in the night they sleep away. Leaves are of different kinds and of different shapes and hues.